are in Balabak Island, and today we are meeting the head of all the Molbogs. So he's the chief of everybody here in the Molbog tribes. The Molbogs is the indigenous people who lives in Balabak Island. That's the only indigenous people, and we are working with them to try to study and save the endangered mouse deer. It's a small deer, the smallest deer in the world, and it's an endangered species. So, first question: how many mouse deer do you think that the mouse deer population is declining, or increasing, or stable?
How many mouse deer
Yes,
in
what do you
Balabak,
think?
sir?
Yes.
Many mouse deer here in Balabak. So they cannot say now they are in the forest.
So, do you think that is it difficult to catch the mouse deer? I mean, the Molbog eat the mouse deer as a food. So, do you see the less mouse deer capture every day, or like do you see the same numbers?
Ilan pong nahuli niyo most deer sa bawa ngayong araw, ganun po madami po ba o konti na lang o gaya pa rin po ng dati?
Konti na lang. Actually, konti na lang nahuhuli sa panahon ngayon kasi hindi naman
Not so many.
Not so many, sir.
So let's say if tomorrow we go in the forest and we try to find some mouse deer, capture, how many do you would say? Can we capture 1, 2, 10?
Pag bukas ng bundok, ilang pong mouse deer ang mahuhuli? Sa palagay niyo po?
Hindi ko lang masasabi kung ilan ang mahuhuli. Pero talagang kung makakakita tayo.
He did not sure how many mouse deer can be catch.
Yes, it's very difficult. I mean, it's difficult. It's still difficult to catch the mouse deer. So basically, the Molbog eat the mouse deer. It's part of their culture, and also saving the mouse deer from becoming extinct is important because we want also preserve the mouse deer in the island. Like this, the Molbog also is part of their resources, but it has to be preserved. It's an important part of their culture. So now another question: how many Molbogs? How big is the population of the Molbogs? I mean, how many Molbogs people live in the island?
Many Molbog, marami Molbog dito sa Balabak. This is a place in the Molbog. Many Molbog in place of Balabak. Yes. About maybe not to 3,000.
Okay, 3,000 Molbogs.
Molbog.
Okay, 3,000. And they all live in Balabak Island or other islands?
Only in Balabak Island.
Only in Balabak. Okay, and they live mostly in the forest, also they're fishermen, or...
Tumitira rin po
Yung mga ibang Molbog sa gubat.
Sa gubat.
Sa dagat.
Some others is in the
Sea.
ocean or sea, and then some others are in the forest. Anyway.
Okay, so they occupy pretty much all kind of places in Balabak. Fishermen, hunters, and they live in the forest. And of course the Molbogs, I mean, for those who don't know that, they're also Muslims, right? Yeah. So now, tomorrow we're gonna organize a trip, right? And where are we gonna go? Try to find some mouse deer. Where are we gonna go? Which place are you gonna?
Sa anong lugar po? Sa gubat?
Diyan sa bundok ang yung
Anong pangalan po ng bundok?
Apadapan.
Apadapan. The place is Apadapan.
Apadapan. Okay. Apadapan. So basically, the conservation at work has to be worked with the indigenous people, the locals, and the goal is to have them to be totally part of the project, and that's why I want them, and it's our friend now, to be the project almost. There will be, you know, maybe we're gonna hire, integrate the Molbog in our study, and then also the project to help to save the mouse deer and then the other endangered species, because they are the one who lives here, know everything, and they are the key for the success of the project.